my big bear. Puppy.
Then Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Merry Christmas cupcake!
Cupcake set. Big hit. What all did Santa bring you, Carson? Everything in this house. And a bike.
Yep.
And what else?
I don't know.
Flip-flops? Snow White?
No, I
And a big giant dog.
That's from Nana and Grandpa. You would?
I don't remember my bag anymore.
Okay.
And did Santa eat his cookies? He did. And Brooks took 2 steps to me this morning for the first time. You gonna walk to Daddy? Come on, we'll get it on film. It'd be a good time. It'd be a really good time. Let's see
Come to
Daddy.
me. Come see me, Brooks. Come see me. Come to Daddy. Come on.
Oh, go see Daddy.
I'm right here, buddy. Here I am. Come to me.
You
Brooks.
can do it.
Brooks, come here. Brooks, come here. Come here, Brooks.
Come on.
Oh, yay! Yay, Brooks. Way to go, buddy.
Wanna go see
Way
Daddy
to go,
now?
buddy.
Wanna walk to Daddy now?
Come see Daddy.
Go see Daddy. Whoa!
Oh, little drunken sailor. Little drunken sailor. Way to go, Brooks.
Mom, let me take that.
Those are measuring spoons. We'll use when we make your cupcake. Whoa!
I want to make my cupcake now.
Oh! Ah! You did it! You did it! You did it! You're gonna be walking soon.